Hello everyone, welcome back to Phyllis the Chef. So I just posted on my Facebook page that I was going to be making a chicken stroganoff. So here is my book I'm using it from, which is this book here, The Ketogenic Diet of 500 Recipes. So out here on page 132, in case any of you guys have this, and here is my recipe, the chicken stroganoff that I'm doing. So I have added the chicken and salt and pepper to my pan so far, or to my cooker. It's actually a rice cooker, but it can also be used as a slow cooker. So since I don't believe this is gonna be like crazy much, but I think I added a little more chicken than maybe I needed to, but I think that's quite all right. So I have garlic, because I don't have fresh garlic here, but I use this minced garlic already ready to go. This is the brand of coconut milk that I prefer to use, and I get it at Rayleigh's. So I need to add the garlic. I add salt and pepper, 1 cup of coconut milk. So let's go ahead. All right, I'm just doing this because I don't want to get on my stand. So this is half a cup here. So I need 1 whole cup of coconut milk. Hopefully this will taste as good as I am imagining it. Alright, fill it up one more time here. So that's almost a whole can actually. Whee! Okay, pretty good. Alright, let me grab my spoon because I want to go ahead and get out our chopped garlic. And honestly, it says 2 cloves of garlic, so that approximately is 2 teaspoons. But, you know, I like garlic, so that's about 1.5 teaspoons. I think I'm gonna add just a tad bit more here. There we go. So about 2 teaspoons of garlic. And then I need to add celery seed, which I don't think I have, but I think I have celery salt. And chicken stock I need to add. Coconut, chicken stock, and parsley. A tablespoon of parsley. And thyme. So, I'm going to go in my cupboard here. I'm going to get parsley and thyme. Ugh. What? Let's see here. Here's my homemade rolls that I did the other day. So let's see if I can find some thyme. Here's parsley, organic parsley. So that's my parsley. Let's see if we have thyme here, which I believe I do somewhere. We just gotta find it in all of my doodad. So let me find that real quick and I'll get right back to y'all. So I do not have any celery salt like I thought. So I wonder how this recipe will change. I know I'm holding the other camera. So I do have parsley, so I am going to add 1 teaspoon of the parsley, and of the thyme I need 1.5 teaspoons of dried thyme leaves. So since I do not have celery seed or celery salt like I thought, I am going to substitute, yes, I substitute everything, folks, with a little bit of coriander. So, yeah, that's what I'm going to personally do. Because I do not want to go out to the store just for this one little ingredient. It may make a difference, it may not. So, anywho, let's add this stuff to it. Okay, as you see, I added all this to it, so I'm just going to kind of give it a quick stir, I think, the best I can. Let's see if it'll even cooperate with me. Just so all the thyme and stuff isn't just in one spot. There's all the different meats. I have 3 pieces of meat in here. Alright, so that's kind of like all stirred in, mostly. Alright, and so now I'm just going to let this all cook itself down for about 4 to 5 hours. This goes directly in the sink because it has raw meat. Alright, so, and stock. So, oh, I needed 1 cup of chicken stock. So let me just add that, and then everything else will be done. And then 1 onion peeled and chopped up. So onion and chicken stock. So let's get that chopped up and cut up, and then I'll show you of me putting this in here. Okay? Alright, so I have organic chicken stock in this pouch, and you add this to 1 cup of water. So here's my pitcher that I'm going to add the water to, and then I am going to do that. Water, chicken stock, and I'm going to chop up an onion really fast. Alright, so here's that packet in here. And I'm just going to fill this container with 1 cup of water. Hopefully I can do this one-handed. Nope, not really. Hold on. Keto. Here's my teacup. The water just finished. And the tea that I'm drinking this morning is this Morning Thunder Celestial. So, alright, back to this. I don't have a spoon, so I'll use a fork. It looks like it's mixed. One way to find out. Alright, all mixed up. I know guys, I know, I got dirty dishes, but that's quite alright. Now I'm going to chop my onion as this requires, shove it in here, and I'll go ahead and turn this on as slow cooker, 5 hours like it says. Close that until I start putting the whole onion in here, and then everything will be done, and I'll show you what it looks like. So, enjoy the last few clips here. Okay, I have my whole onion chopped, and now whole white onion, folks. And now I just gotta shove it in there, but don't think I can do it one-handed, so let's see. There are your onions, folks. I'm gonna grab the same fork that I had stirred stuff with earlier. This actually looks delicious. Hopefully I added enough salt and pepper. If not, you can always re-add later, right? So, let this cook itself down for the next 5 hours. In the meantime, I'm going to do these dishes. Dun, 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 dun. Okie dokie, so I have the dinner here. This is what it looks like after 5 hours of cooking. The chicken is really soft here. So y'all can see that. So that is wonderful. See? Chicken's breaking apart. Yum. It tastes and smells wonderful. So now, the next part, zoom me back out. Alright, so I have my zucchini here on my spiralizer, and I'm using the thick cut version, and so they're going to come out here once I spiral it. So actually I need to scoot this over here, put a plate under here. So, let's do that real fast. As you can tell, I've gotten some of it mostly done here. Tail won't spin anymore. Okay, so then pull it out. So you just have the seed part, which you do not want because that has more water access. And then I have to put it in a pot. But I have to do the other ones here in this bag first. But these go in this pot because I'm going to boil them for about 10 minutes, 5-10 minutes till they soften. So let me repeat the process, add a little bit of salt in there to flavor them, and then drain them and add them to the crock pot. So the zucchini noodles are here in the pot on medium-high heat. I added some salt, so they just need to boil for about 5 to 10 minutes until they're soft enough of my liking. And then yeah, I'm gonna add them to this crock pot and dinner will be served. So that will be considered the chicken stroganoff dinner. And then I was thinking of possibly making almond pancakes because I'm watching The Boys tomorrow. So I don't know if I'll make them in the morning or go ahead and just pre-make them tonight and just reheat them up. So I'm debating on that. But anyway, I'll go ahead and sum it up. Call it quits for this evening. So thanks for watching, and I hope you guys had a great time tuning in. See you later.